East Tennessee, I hope you're still having an amazing Thursday. We're going to see those highs working their way into the lower 70s today. Still more of those mostly sunny skies continuing into the afternoon as we reach those highs, then sliding on down into the 50s where we see lows in the lower 50s again by the time you wake up on your Friday morning. You're taking a look at your satellite radar and, well, there's not really much to see. I'll take you into the regional view to show you why. We've got this system that's been further down, well, multiple systems, I should say, that have been down along the Gulf Coast and in Florida that are dissipating and fading. Some of that cloud cover was trying to push its way up, but as the sun rose, that cloud cover faded away. That's going to be partially thanks to this high pressure here that's sitting on the East Coast. But you look over to our west, we've got that cloud cover that's going to be a part of the incoming low pressure system along with that cold front. So we'll see that coming into the area around your late Friday is when we just start to see some of those rainier conditions here in East Tennessee. It's going to be picking up maybe around the time you're getting off work, making that commute home, and continuing into the nighttime. Now, we are seeing some of that rainfall shift a bit further over into the east. So if you're on the eastern side of the region and a bit further up into the north, that's where those higher possibilities for slightly heavier rainfall is going to be. A low chance for maybe even a thunderstorm or two. Nothing severe coming along with this. We're going to see it move its way on out, generally clearing. We were originally sitting around midnight or so. That may push back a little bit, but generally during the overnight hours heading into your Saturday morning, so that by the time you wake up on Saturday morning, we'll only see a little bit of cloud cover and the frontal boundary will be past us, which means that'll be the beginning of some cooler temperatures. Now, in terms of rainfall, generally around 1/4 of an inch, but we are seeing some areas further over east that may get a little bit higher, maybe closer to that half-inch range. But then we take it to the next 7 days and we see our rainfall totals, including another event that's going to be getting us closer to 1 inch, which is great news because that'll definitely help with that drought monitor. We are going to be seeing this opportunity as we get into next week. Thinking around your Monday night is when we see that first bit of rain starting to approach. This is likely going to be some prefrontal rainfall, and then a secondary round that's going to come along with the front that we'll see getting into your Tuesday. So that can begin maybe during some of the overnight hours, but it does somewhat look like it's going to be lasting through a strong majority of your Tuesday. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. So that leaves 2 rain opportunities, one tomorrow and one into early next week that we will definitely take because we are still seeing drought conditions through the area. This is a quick look at the holidays because they're coming up. Thanksgiving in just a week, and then all the rest of the holidays are going to follow suit in the new year in less than 50 days. Isn't that insane? But let's focus on the next 7 days first. We're going to see some pretty nice conditions. Again, sunshine into your weekend before we see that rainfall coming again into next week.